In this guitar instruction video, we're going to go over the E phrygian mode. That's a scale, and it comes after the Ionian and the Dorian, then the Phrygian. It's got a minor quality. It too is a need-to-know scale. And the only difference between the E phrygian mode or scale is you flat the second note. So the only difference between this scale and this mode and the natural minor scale that can be played this way, is that you're flatting the second. When you're playing the minor, you're not flatting the second, but on this Phrygian mode, you are flatting the second note, okay, of the scale. And it works so well interchangeably, not only with the Dorian, but with the pentatonic. And we're going to talk about that stuff, and I'm going to show you some examples on how you can mix them and use them interchangeably. So here we go. Let's start on the 6th string, 12th fret with our first finger. And we're going to use our second finger on the 13th fret and our 4th finger on the 15th fret. So it's a 1, 2, 4 pattern. Chain strings. I'm on the 5th string, 12th fret, first finger. Now the 3rd finger plays the 14th fret, and the 4th finger plays the 15th fret. So once again, it's a 1, 2, 4 on the 6th string, 12th, 13th, 15th frets. Go up to the A string, the 5th string, and play 12, 14, and 15 with the 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. Now we're on the D string, 12th and 14th frets with the 1st and 3rd fingers. And use that same pattern that you use on the 5th string, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Excuse me, 12th, 14th, and 15th frets. Up on the 3rd string, just play the 12th and 14th frets with your 1st and 3rd fingers. Now play 12, 13, 15 on the 2nd string. 12th, 13th, and 15th frets, 1st, 2nd, and 4th fingers, just like on that 6th string. And we'll stop on the E note. Okay, we're starting on the E, we're ending on the E, 2 octaves away in this Phrygian scale in E, this Phrygian mode. It's 12th fret, 1st string. Here it is again. If you notice, I'm trying to alternate my picking. I am alternating it. If you're new to this and you want to use all downs, that's okay, but I highly suggest that eventually you alternate for a different nuance, a different sound. Now, this is a need to know. I can't emphasize it enough, because if you play it with the pentatonic or the blues scale in the E, you can use it with the extension. And here's an example that I'll show you, okay? So here I am. Because when I'm up here, that's the... This is in the E phrygian scale, okay? Right in here. But now, I'm still in the Phrygian scale, but now I'm going to go up to the extension. I'm on the 3rd string, 14th fret, and I move with my 2nd finger to the 16th fret, and I play the 15th and 17th frets, and I can slide down like that. Well, let me give it to you on paper. Okay, here it is, right here, starting on the 6th string with your 1st finger. And once again, this is my fingering down here. These are the strings, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and these are the frets. So that's how you read tablature. You know, and if you don't want to screenshot this, you don't have any tablature paper, just get a blank piece of paper, draw 6 lines. On the bottom line, 6 parallel lines, just like this. The bottom line, give it a 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the fingering down here, okay? I'm a right-handed guitarist, so my left hand is my technique hand. Okay, that's where my fingers go, okay? First, second, fourth finger, and those are the names of the frets. This is what I just played right here. This is an example of mixing the Dorian with the pentatonic. I'll play that again. We're going to go over this right now. It's so cool, all right? There's not too much of a difference between this mode and a pure minor scale, a natural minor scale, okay? And the pentatonic, you're only playing 5 different notes, but that works really well too. So what I did is I start on the second string, 12th fret with my first finger. I'm just playing 12, 13, 15, 13, 12. Then I'm sliding up from the 14th to 16th frets on the 3rd string, because here I am just on the 2nd string. And then I'm just sliding down. If I want to, too, I can use, if you notice that I had a circle over here on the 4th string, 14th fret, you can use this as a starting point. Here's an E, and here's the octave. There's the E right there. So I can use my 3rd and 4th fingers. And I can say I'm going to go over that again, but we're playing an E minor 7th, to an F major 7th, to a D minor 7th, back to the E minor 7th, back into the extension. But here we go, isn't that pretty? It's a minor scale, the Phrygian mode. It's the 3rd one of the modes after the Ionian, which is the major, which would be a major scale like this. And the Dorian, some of you have seen my video on the Dorian. The Dorian is really cool too. You can check that out. You can mix the Dorian with the pentatonic, with the extension, the pentatonic, or the blues scale with the extension. The pentatonic and the blues scale are the same thing, just different names. So you can use the Dorian, you can use the blues scale, you can use a minor scale when you're in the key of E, and then you can use this Phrygian scale. It's going to give you a lot of choices, you know, and you're going to totally improve all your leads. So here we go again with the E minor 7th. That's how you make that right there. It's based on the E minor. Just lift up your 4th finger. First finger is barring the first 5 strings in the 7th fret. 2nd finger is on the 2nd string, 8th fret. 3rd finger is on the 4th string, 9th fret. Strumming it. F major 7th. Okay. Barring the first 5 strings on the 8th fret. My fingers are placed right here. Down to a D minor 7th. That's just like the E minor 7th, but it's on the 5th fret. So, F major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7. Here we go with the example. And I can keep going with it. I can use that first one. Here's the other example. I didn't show that to you. So there's the scale. There's the first example. There's the second example. Starting on the E, which is right over here. And I'm just using this fingering right here to play that. Okay? F major 7th, if you're not sure how to make that. Borrowing the first 5 strings only on the 8th fret. 4th finger's on the 10th fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger's on the 4th string of the 10th fret. Put that 2nd finger right in between here, but on the 9th fret. E minor 7th, F major 7th, D minor 7. Start from the beginning if you like. Just going back and forth. You know, if I'm on the second string here, I'm playing 12, 13, 15, 13, 12, going to the third string of the 14th fret. Starting on the 14th fret of the 4th string. A little bar there. Go into that extension. Finish up with a pentatonic. That's the Phrygian. That's the Phrygian mode. It works so well with anything if you're in the key of E. E minor, so on and so forth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.